this is how a feeding tube works, and this is how it doesn't come out. This is what's inside of me. Here I have a G tube, which is different from what I have. I have a GJ tube. So my tube, like this, except it keeps going. It goes into my stomach through my pylorus and through my small intestine. How this works is if you pretend that my hand is my abdominal wall, this is the outside of the tube, right here. On the inside, there's a balloon. I believe they fill it up with contrast, but then it can't come out of my stomach. Warning, I'm going to show a tube that had been in my stomach for months, so it is pretty discolored. This top part is the part that shows on the outside of your abdomen, and then that is the balloon that's on the inside of your abdomen, and then the entirety of the length is what goes through into your small intestine. This picture is from when my balloon popped, and I took a video of me finding the leak in the balloon, so if anyone wants to see that, let me know. And then this is an example of a clean one, but this one's a dangler tube. The other one's a button. The other one's low profile, like this one, and this one hangs out as like a tube on the outside. Whenever it's time to get it replaced, they basically just deflate the balloon like that and then pull it back out. Of course, with a GJ tube, it's a much longer process because you have to actually feed the entirety of the tube through into the small intestine, but that is at least how it stays in your stomach.